Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect the Google Maps API to n8n step by step, so you can start using location data in your workflows. This works for most setups, so let's get into it. First, open n8n and make sure you're logged in. Next, click on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new step. In the search bar, type Google Maps. If you don't see it, search for HTTP request instead and click on it. Now, choose the HTTP method you need. For example, select Get if you're retrieving data. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google Maps. Find the location or service you want to use, then copy the URL. Go back to n8n and paste that URL into the URL field. Now, scroll down to the authentication section. Here, select the authentication type you want to use. Choose predefined credential type or generate credential type. Then search and select Google OAuth 2 API. Click Create New Credential. In this step, enter the required details from your Google Cloud Console, including your API credentials. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Now, return to your workflow. Everything should be set up correctly. Finally, execute the workflow to test the connection and make sure it's working. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.